Hello everyone, I am Monali and I welcome you all in this video lesson with a very big heart. Children, in continuation of previous video, here are few more questions from the chapter Cell. So let's get going. The very first question is, with the help of a neat and well-labeled diagram, differentiate between plant and animal cell. So we can have our diagrams like this. The very first diagram is that of a plant cell and the next diagram is that of an animal cell. Next question is, who proposed the cell theory? What are its postulates? Now you all know that Matthias, Schleiden and Theodor Schwann proposed the cell theory in 1839. And it was further expanded by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. The main postulates of the modern cell theory are: all living organisms are made up of cell. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life. All cells are not identical. All cells arise from pre-existing cells only through cell division. Another question is, how did Robert Hooke discover cells? Now we all know that in 1665, Robert Hooke examined a thin slice of cork under his self-made microscope and observed that it was made of tiny box-like compartments piled up together. This reminded him of the rooms or cells of monks in a monastery. So he called them as cells of cork. So this is how he discovered the cells. But always remember that the cells which Robert Hooke discovered were dead cells. Next question is, explain the process of cell division. In the process of cell division, a parent cell, after growth and replication of its components, divides to form daughter cells. Cell division is of two types basically, mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, the daughter cells are genetically similar to each other as well as to their parent cell. Mitosis maintains the chromosome number of the parent cell in its daughter cells. Meiosis. This is the second type of cell division. It is a double division which produces 4 genetically different cells. In meiosis, the chromosome number reduces to half. Now the next question is to list all the cell organelles and describe their functions. So we can write answer in tabular form like this. So let's take our first cell organelle. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Function. Endoplasmic reticulum is supportive framework of the cell and it is involved in the synthesis and transport of proteins and fats. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the seat of cellular, that is aerobic respiration. Mitochondria store energy in the form of ATP, which is also called as the energy currency of the cell. Another very important function of mitochondria is to synthesize the respiratory enzymes. Next cell organelle we have taken is ribosomes. Ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. Let's see function of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is involved in synthesis and secretion of enzymes, hormones, etc. Formation of acrosome of sperm also takes place with the help of Golgi apparatus. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are involved in intracellular digestion. Lysosomes also destroy foreign substances. When cell is old or injured, they destroy the cell, and hence they are also called as the suicide bags of the cell. Another organelle is centrosome, which can be seen only in animal cells. Centrosome initiates and regulates the cell division. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are involved for the storage of water, food and waste products. Vacuoles also give turgidity when present in the plant cell. Plastids are very important cell organelles, but these are present only in the plant cells. It can be of different types. Chromoplasts impart color to flowers and fruits. Chloroplasts, as we all know, are involved in the photosynthesis process and help in trapping of solar energy to initiate the photosynthesis process. Leukocytes store starch, proteins and oils. Next question is, why are lysosomes called suicidal bags of the cell? So as we have seen in the previous question, that when the cell is old or injured, lysosomes burst to release powerful enzymes stored in them. Lysosomes store almost 40 powerful enzymes. So when these enzymes are released, then the cellular components present in the cell will be killed, and ultimately the cell will also be killed. As they kill their own cell, they are called as the suicidal bags of the cell. So that's all for this video lesson. In the next video, we'll be discussing about new topics from the chapter reproduction. Till then, happy learning. Bye-bye.